They're still following me. These guys are so bad at following people. Can I help you? Following people around, no reason. Yeah? Nope.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. This is Ebord Thon Audits. He recently reached out to me to help share his content and has done a remarkable job. I wanted to highlight Ebord's revisit to the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division. Ebord was filming the South Carolina Division of Technology, and as you can see, there are no signs restricting entry to the publicly accessible parking lot. During his exploration, he noticed two vehicles following him.
There it is. Still following. They're still following me. These guys are so bad at following people. I just don't understand how they're so bad at it. Like, he's right there. I guess they're trying to figure out my car, I guess. Who knows? There's another guy following me, using his cell phone while he's driving. Doesn't seem very safe. Oh, he's turning around. Not very good at hiding or following anybody. I don't know what I expected from people here though.
He walked through the parking lot here, past the administration's building here, obeyed the restricted access sign here, and eventually ended up here at the Recruiting and Employment Services office. After inquiring about the application process, he approached the men in the vehicles that were tailing him.
See what this guy's up to. You know, I'm sure he's working hard. Can I help you? Hi. Just practicing stalking? Following people around, no reason? You get paid for this? Hi. How can I help you?
How's it going?
Going all right.
We just got a call that you went into our recruiting department.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name and badge number?
Well,
Okay.
My name's Chris Ball. I'm the deputy director here.
Cool. What's your name and badge number since you've been following me around?
I'm gonna ask you
What's your name and badge number?
my name and badge number.
Yes. If you're gonna follow me around and then sit here and not act like
You're
anything
videoing on state property.
on public property, yeah, I absolutely am. If you show me the restricted sign,
SCDC property.
you show me the restricted sign, I'll leave.
Okay, I'm Agent Moss.
I just talked to the cop in there and she didn't have a problem with me filming.
Okay, I didn't say I had a problem.
But then why are you following me?
Sir, you're not gonna cuss at me.
No? Okay, well then bye.
I'll have a conversation.
No, you won't, because you sat in your car till this fucking ass showed up. All I'm doing is walking around filming in public, and you want to follow me around along with the people in the pickup truck? Maybe get better at being secretive, yeah?
Identification on you, sir?
Nope. Only if I've broken the law, buddy.
On state property.
Only if I've broken the law. So, what law have I broken?
You're here to watch us, and we'll watch you. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's what you guys get paid to do? Watch random civilians not breaking the law? Nothing but fucking welfare. What's your name and badge number? No? Okay, cool. Bye. Why would I interact with people who think they have an authority but refuse to identify themselves?
Did you catch that? Let's watch again in slow-mo. Watch as this officer quickly snatches up Ebord's phone and pretend to not know it's his.
Authority but refuse to identify themselves. Oh, sweet. Thanks. I'll take my phone back.
Sir, we just found this on
It
state
fell out of my pocket, dude. If you don't give me my dude, give me my fucking phone back.
Don't come over here and touch
Then give me my phone.
Don't come over here and touch me.
Then give me my phone. Dude,
I
are
don't
you
know.
really going to allow him to steal my phone?
I do not
It
know
fell
that
out of my
this is your
pocket
phone.
on public.
I did not see
And
it.
you're going to allow this to happen?
I didn't see it fall out your
But I'm telling you it's mine. I can unlock it, and that means it's mine.
This is found property on state property right now.
Okay,
I gotta
cool.
figure out whose it is.
Well,
If
call a
it's yours,
supervisor. Get a supervisor here. Now, you're going to steal my property while I'm on public? You. Why? You surround me and he's got my property. How am I supposed to call him about that?
Property. Or somebody's dropped the phone and he's claiming to see us all.
Dude, it fell out of my pocket. You saw it.
This is your property.
Dude, it is public. You better give me...
Well, hold on. What are you doing
I'm
here?
filming in public.
No, I mean, but you went
I explained to her, if you want to
went
ask her,
into
ask
our
her.
recruiting
I did, and I
department.
filmed all the job postings, talked to the officer who came to the door. She didn't have a problem with what I was doing after I explained myself, but I'm not going to explain myself, especially if you're holding on to my property as if it's stolen.
Just be beneficial.
Okay. Well, I'm telling you, you can't for security issues.
Dude, I didn't go inside the second set of doors. It says you have to wait till they open. This is public.
But you went into our recruiting
Yeah, into the
department,
lobby area that's
okay?
completely open to the public.
And you got somebody filming. I'm just asking you.
And I
what are
told you can ask her, but you should have approached different, and you definitely shouldn't be holding my phone.
What do you mean? How do I know this is your phone?
I
We
just
found
told
it
you
on
it's
the
mine, and
ground.
I'll unlock it. Hand it here, and I'll unlock the phone.
But I'm asking you right now.
And you send out f***ing all of these officers for a camera.
Well,
Do you see this? He's got my phone. Are you a supervisor? Is anybody out here a supervisor? Anybody? Anybody out here a supervisor? If not, you need to get one, because this man has stolen my phone after taking it from him. Are you me for using a camera in public? Are you guys that scared? What are you hiding? Since you won't identify yourself, what are you hiding? Obviously something. You guys have been following me around when I'm on the sidewalk, only going into public. I even asked at the SLED office, hey, can I come inside this gate just to film a little? They said no. So what did I do? I walked away. I have only gone into public places. I didn't even go into that building because it said you have to check in at the gate first. This one doesn't say that. I didn't go past the actual public lobby.
When you pass this sign right here.
What sign?
Show you. You're subject to search.
The director is referring to this sign, and it does say that by passing this sign you are subject to search. The only issue is that the sign is here. eBoard never passed this sign, and is still currently in front of it.
No, once I pass the gate.
No.
Yes, because this is for public, dude. If I come in to apply for a job, you
You're
can
not
just
gonna
search me.
come into our state building.
Fine, then I won't come back. Give me my phone. If you're telling me to leave,
Now,
I will leave.
If this is your phone, you can unlock it.
Yep, I will. Give it here.
Go ahead and unlock it.
Yep.
And you take your phone and you get out of it.
Bye. Look at these assholes. How many of you does it take to detain a camera? How many?
By my count, 8. 8 state actors.
I'm gonna keep going down this way if you want to follow. Come out. Let's go. Come out. Let's go. Yeah. Let's have an adventure. And tried to steal my phone. Look at them. Standing there like losers. Can't work hard, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 officers. So much for being subject to search, huh?
The video ends here, but this is just the beginning. If you haven't seen his other work, check out his channel below and subscribe. I have a feeling that we'll see some good content from him. For now, thanks for watching. If you have an incident you'd like me to review, email it, submit it on my website, or through Facebook Messenger. All links are down below. That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.